A very good morning to all of you. Welcome back again in online class. So this is the video of your computer class 5, chapter 1, part 1 of revision. Okay, you all completed chapter 1 and 2, but this part is for revision for your examination. This is the video of I think 10 to 12 minutes. After seeing the video on Google Meet class, we discuss the doubts. Okay, if you learn the chapter 1 completely, raise your hand and say to me, sir, I complete the chapter. You ask the question from anywhere. So if you confident, then I will ask the question from chapter 1. So a student, in this topic we discuss about how you complete the exam of computer and what types of questions are come in the examination. Like you have so many doubts that what type of questions are come from the topic history of computer in MCQ manner. Okay, so we discuss about this type of questions and also about your examination pattern. Okay, so there are many topics for revision. So without waste the time, we complete the revision. The topics are history of computer, generations of computer, characteristics of computer, limitations of computer, wearable technology, artificial intelligence and machine learning. Okay, if you have any deep doubt about any topic, go to my YouTube channel and search the topic and see that very careful. Okay, so basically this chapter is about the theory part. So come to around that the history of computer. Firstly, a student, you very thinks that what type of questions. So I am here discuss about what types of questions are come from that topic. Like abacus, you have know about it is calculating device which are used early. Okay, so the questions like that, not that questions come in the examination. By I only say that this type of questions will come in the examination. So be ready with that. Like abacus is an early calculating device. So what type of calculation perform from that device? The options: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So and one thing more, you aware about that in one question, one answer of the option be correct, two option be also be possible correct, three option also be possible correct, and four option be also possible to correct. So be confident on your answer that only one answer, 2, 3, 4 correct or not. Okay, so here two options are correct, that abacus is a calculating device that used for addition as well as subtraction. So you tick on option number A and option number B. That means addition option and subtraction option. You not have to permit that, sir, I tick only one option. Okay, in the guidelines also it clear write that if quite possible that all option be correct. Okay, now next one about Napoleon bones. So what type of calculation be done in from that machine or Napoleon bones. Okay, so from that you aware about that product and quotient of large number can you get. Like if you multiply any number from any number, you easily get what is the quotient from that numbers. Got it? Now next, Pascaline calculator. Okay, so like the question, on which year Pascaline calculator developed. So you learn the year also, the date also. This is the history. So you learn the date also. There are so many options: 1641, 1642, 1643, 1644. So if you learn, then you write, then you tick. If you not learn, then you not able to write, not tick the correct answer. Okay. Now, and also there are so many types of question like at what number up to the number Pascaline calculator be used. So it also given in your book that Napoleon bones used from that number to that, abacus, Pascaline. Got it? So you learn this type of thing. Next, difference engine and analytical engine. That who developed the analytical engine. So there are so many names, 4 names are available. You take the correct name. Got it? Now, next one is about generation of computer. Now you think about that. What type of questions are come from that topic? Like there are so many questions are formed from that topic. Which of the following timeline is correct for first generation of computer? So you learn the timeline. Which technology be used for in first generation of computer? What are the example? Which of the following is the example of first generation of computer? Okay. So first generation of computer occupy a space. Fill in the blanks space. There are so many options. Small space, large space, very small, very large. So you tick the correct answer. Okay. Next, second generation, about the timeline, about the technology. What type of technology used in the second generation of computer? Okay. So you tick the transistor. From which technology second generation computer overcome from first generation of computer? So this type of questions will also are also come, quite possible to come. Okay, so you learned this type of thing very carefully. Third generation of computer, about the timeline, about the technology, about the example, about the features. Okay, next, fourth generation, timeline, technology, example and features. Like that, fourth generation is faster than third generation. Okay, yes, no, both, not possible. So you write both, or yes or no. What is the correct answer? Got it? So you learn this type of thing. Fifth generation of computer. What are the example of fifth generation of computer? So robot, humanoids are the example for that. Features and timeline and technology. Got it? So you can learn this type of things. Very careful and write the answer in correct way. Got it? Now come to the characteristics from class 3. We know about that the characteristics of computer. Okay? The first one is speed, accuracy, diligence, high storage, versatility, connectivity. If you have any type of doubt, because these are the very easy points. Okay, but when you have any type of doubt from this topic, go to my YouTube channel and search the part and see the topic very carefully. Now the questions, how the questions are come. Which of the following is the characteristics of computer? Option: speed, connectivity, zero IQ, lack of decision making. So you write take speed and connectivity, because zero IQ and lack of decision making is the limitation of computer, not the characteristics of computer. So when you able to write the correct answer, when you learn these things, okay, so those students who confident, be ready in the class and tell me whatever my question, then I fully agree that you will be able to get full marks. Now next, about the limitation. The limitations are zero IQ, lack of decision making, new heritage, wearable technology, fitness tracker, a smartwatch. This type of technology we can wear. Okay. Now last one is about the artificial intelligence and machine language. That means the example for that it's Siri and Alexa. That means when you say to Alexa that Alexa, what set the alarm of 6 a.m. Alexa, set the alarm. Got it? So you will be able to learn this type of thing. So thank you student. Goodbye. Take care. We will meet in the next part with the revision of chapter 2. And one more thing, when you complete this video, see that, and after completing this video, we will start the class on Google Meet. So thank you. Goodbye.